Hello traders, I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at the Candlestick Pattern Scanner for MT4. All right, you're going to find the link to download the indicator right there in the description. After you have done that, you head to your indicator folder, paste your indicator file in there, head back to your MT4 terminal, refresh your navigator, and you're going to find the Candlestick Pattern Scanner in your navigator if you really put the indicator file in your indicators folder. Okay, so now we're going to drag and drop the Candlestick Pattern Scanner. Ensure that your allow DLL imports box is checked. These are the customizable settings. Okay, there are quite a lot of them. Different candlestick patterns, right? This is a Candlestick Pattern Scanner, so of course you should expect to see things like this, different candlesticks. If you want all these candlesticks to be displayed, then you can set all of them to true. All right, you can see some of them are set at false, but if you want all of them to be displayed, you can just set all of them to true. But if there are particular candlesticks that you do not want to be displayed, you can set them to false. Maybe if your strategy depends on a particular set of candlesticks, you can decide to put every other candlestick at false and then set just those particular candlesticks that your strategy depends on at true. Okay, so here we go. Now you will notice that for the candlesticks that are enabled, the candlestick patterns that are enabled, you will notice that the indicator will display, will indicate when such candlesticks are found on your chart. All right, so basically that is what the indicator does. Okay, it will signify when your enabled candlesticks are identified on your chart. Okay, so if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, because there are a whole lot of valuable information here on this channel. Okay, if you are a trader and you are seeking valuable information across indicators, expert advisors, strategies, and all of that, this channel is for you. Okay, so just click that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you soon. Cheers and God bless.